welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. One of my favorite notes for any season, okay? But we're going to get into some of my best vanilla fragrances for the autumn season. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Now you all know if I do anything above the number 5, it could be a lengthy video. So we're going to not do that, okay? So we're going to go through these pretty quick. But I just wanted to show you my lineup. Things that I enjoy that have, I have a lot of fragrances that have the note of vanilla in it that I do enjoy wearing for the fall. Again, I can show you all like 50 plus fragrances that kind of can fit under this category. But I wanted to pick out some of the recent, I have my eye on, right? For these fall season, I have my eye on like, what am I going to wear first? What am I going to wear next? I'm just so excited to get my hands and spray myself and douse myself with these fragrances. And a lot of these are vanilla scents. So let's get into it. First up, we have the Roses Vanille. Like Mancera, listen, you like roses and vanilla, a little bit of citrus in this. This is your fragrance, okay? I love this down. This is your very sappy vanilla rose, very sweet to the sweet. So if you love a good sweet tooth and rose, listen, classic, okay? This is like foundation fragrance, okay? Especially for this season when we are getting into the colder season. This could be kind of cloying when we're thinking of like spring and summer, but fall and winter, this is perfect. I would highly suggest you get your hands, your nose on Mancera Roses Vanille. Next up, we have a vanilla amber leather, beautiful, sexy vanilla fragrance. I would absolutely, if you are trying to be a little sassy, sexy, show a little leg, have a little red dress, black dress, right? You have your stilettos, right? Hair done, makeup on point. Like if you're trying to give, a great diva sexy vibe, Inicio's Absolute Aphrodisiac vanilla scent is everything, okay? This is seductive, right? This is sexy in a bottle, a sexy vanilla fragrance. Absolutely amazing for this fall season, really any season, but absolutely shines in the cold season to me. It stands out. Oh, I can see you in so many, showing the cleavage, all of it, leg, cleavage, shoulder, just divine. This is so good. I would highly recommend if you're trying to step out on the town, or you have a date and you're excited about, or if you're just with your man, your boo, and you just want to get a little shoulder lean, have him be in your neck. This is a necker. Absolute Aphrodisiac is a great fragrance from Inicio to make that lasting impression. So we just talked about this fragrance, vanilla on vanilla, 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 let it. This is Black Opium, YSL, Le Parfum. This is all the vanillas you could ever want in your life, okay? This is Vanilla Diva, okay? Great vanilla fragrance for the fall season. It is perfect, okay? You could dress it up again, dress it down. Any setting, I feel like you can get away with this beautiful, impact, impressionable vanilla fragrance. Next, we have Mystic Sugar from Cornaterno. This fragrance, vanilla, sweet, so good. When I tell you, this fragrance reminds me, I've said it before, it gives me candy, like Halloween. This gives me Halloween vibes. I don't know why, but it's like the perfect scent if you had a Halloween party or going trick-or-treating with your children or whatever that looks like. This is the perfect scent to wear. So good, okay? So some of the notes we have in here that stand out to me is the pineapple in this, the cardamom, the ginger, all right, the spiciness in this. We have cacao in this, tonka bean. This is amber, a beautiful amber that's in this that makes it just so smooth and bold. Like it is so good. And again, it reminds me of like not too sweet, not too candy-like, but it does give me a mystic candy, a mystic kind of Halloween fantasy type of fragrance. It's so good. It is amazing. So if you're looking for something that will stand out, projection, I might have to do a single review, but I talk too much about this anyway. But projection, 10 out of 10, okay? So I would highly recommend you get your nose a sample or just get your hands on this beauty, because I blind bought this and I am so happy that I did, and I have been satisfied. But I will be getting my entire life for the fall on this beautiful vanilla fragrance. Next up, talk about a sweet, woody, white floral type of fragrance. That just makes your heart melt with this vanilla that's in it as well. It is so good. I feel like I have not been able to get a lot of wears from this, but we're going to change that this fall. But I wanted to add this to my vanilla list because it is so good with the pink pepper, so that spicy sexiness, and the vanilla that's in the base. It is chef's kiss for sure. And that is Angel Elixir, okay? This jasmine, ylang ylang, I believe, is in this. We also have sandalwood, so my favorite wood. This is a great fragrance for the fall season. It gives you comfort. You can wear this slightly to the gym. I would watch my sprays, but I feel like you can get away with this 1-2 in the gym. You know, a little good vanilla. Don't overdo it. But like if you're going on like you have a casual day, running errands, going to the mall, that type of thing, this is so good. Okay, but I want to get more wears out of this, so I have my eyes set on this, and I'm excited to wear this, okay, for the fall season. If you have Angel Elixir, I would love to know your thoughts in the comments. Sound off below and let me know. Do you have any feels? Do you think this is a great vanilla fragrance? Yeah, let us all know the tea. Next up, we cannot talk about vanilla and not talk about this fragrance that has cotton candy, dulce leche, caramel, vanilla in the top, vanilla in the bottom. We cannot have a list and this not be on it. A vanilla list at that. Like, are you okay? And that is Carmelo Vanilla. And this is New Notes. Woo, baby. Now listen, if you want a good sweet frangipanis in this as well, caramel, cotton candy, fun vanilla fragrance, look no further, because this is it. This is your fun vanilla sweet. Oh, but it also has a maturity to it, right? Because sometimes, fun, and then you're like, oh, but it's not too mature. I feel like this is like for the grown folks. This is the grown folks fun, okay? This is the carnival fun. But this is the adult carnival fun. This is so good and delicious and amazing. An amazing vanilla. I love that it has the vanilla in the top notes and in the base notes. I feel like it just impacts and packs on that needed vanilla. It brings out just the sweetness and everything about this is great. And I know some of you all have this fragrance, so let us know in the comment section how you feel, because I am totally in love and it had to be on this best vanilla list for the autumn season. Next up, don't put baby in the corner, okay? We have ice cream, vanilla, toffee, brown sugar, vanilla asterisk. This is so good and it is heavy on the vanilla. And if you allow this to sit and sit and sit, it gets better and better and better. And I'm talking about, this is definitely not the baby in the corner this year or really any year. I mean, I kind of put baby in the corner for the summer or spring season, but we're back. Fall, winter, impact coming in. Mani Casanade from Navatus in partnership with Sharita M. This is your vanilla dream, okay? If you like a good gourmand fragrance and you want vanilla, gourmand sweetness, ice cream. Did you hear what I said? Toffee. Did you hear what I said? Brown sugar, vanilla asterisk. Like, did you catch that? Yes. Vanilla on top of vanilla. But we also have musk. We have white amber in this. So, but that toffee, that ice cream, that creaminess, that cashmere, that bergamot. Oh, you all, this is delicious. Delicious. Okay. Projection. What? Are you here? Amazing. Projection is so good. Those that have it, you know when this sits longer. This is it. Okay. So if you're looking, okay, you might not be looking, but if you're interested in a good vanilla ice cream, toffee fragrance, it just sounds good. And it's not too sappy. Look, I think if you wear this on like a hot heat day, you might not be able to enjoy this as much. You may. I'm not going to say. You might like it in the hot heat. But for me, this stands out more when we have the breeze, when it's cool, right? Leaves falling. I'm smelling like ice cream. You talk about him in my neck. Yeah. Watch where you spray. Have we? Watch where you spray. Yeah. It's like, it just, not to call my man a leech or anything, but you just can't control yourself. Yeah. So be careful. This is another approach with caution, spray with caution. But if you're ready for that vibe and that mode and that mood, if it's that time of night, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Okay. Mani Casanade. All right. Great fragrance for the vanillas of the vanilla girlies out there. Well, that's all, fam, for my best vanilla fragrances for the autumn season. What are some of your favorite vanilla fragrances? I would love to know. Comment down below, okay? Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much.